guys, good morning. I just made it to Munich, Germany. I'm at the airport. I'm about to go and catch the train into the town so I can meet my tour guide. So I just want to give you guys a quick view. I'm only here on a layover, so I have limited time. So my videos are going to be short and sweet that I capture for you guys today. But yeah, this is the terminal station. So I will check back in with you guys shortly. Bye.
Going back to that time, and before that, the other older building on the left was the town hall.
Okay.
You can see in there the
Oh, nice.
and courtyard. Yeah. So we're saying Munich was then became the capital of Bavaria in the 1500s, and at that time, all the different states were still independent states.
Okay.
And then, it was only in 1870 when Bismarck unified Germany into a complete unified country. And then Munich became a kingdom in 1806.
1806, okay.
Yeah, and the first king was King Maximilian, and he was part of this Wittelsbach family. And then they have a kind of dynasty, very unoriginal names. The first guy was Maximilian, his son was Ludwig.
Okay.
His son was Maximilian, and his son was Ludwig.
Okay.
And the second Ludwig is, you may have heard, is the famous king who built all the fairy tale houses down in Neuschwanstein. Yeah. So this is a very nice shop with different kind of foods and wines. And,
Okay.
and we can have a little look in on the way back again. Down here's a very old part of the city as well. There's where the Hofbrauhaus is.
Oh, the Opera House. Okay.
No, the Hofbrauhaus.
Oh, the Hofbrauhaus.
Okay. Bavarian beer hall.
Oh, beer hall.
Come here,
Yes, I know this is known for beer.
Known for beer anyway.
Yes.
It's one of the oldest ones.
My sister would love these shops.
Yeah. Shopper.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah, okay. Well, this is the main shopping street. Goes up here in Maximilian.
Oh, nice.
Designer labels.
Okay, yeah. If I have Prada, I see Prada's here.
Here, yeah. Almost any of these. The Four Seasons hotels up there.
Oh, Four Seasons. Okay.
Yeah, prestigious hotels. This is Maximilian Street. That's Maximilian building up there, and this is King Maximilian, the first king.
Oh, nice.
And this is the Opera House. Well, there's quite a nice picture down here because
Inside or? Oh, okay.
Image of kings. There's obviously something going on there.
Oh, they're waiting to get a line. Oh, okay. To the museum. Nice. Yeah, only if I had time.
Yes.
Oh, I love this big door. Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So this, you rub this, yeah, for good luck. Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Edge of the inner square of the city, and then this is one of the big boulevards. Leopold Boulevard goes all the way up to the next part of the city, which is Schwabing, which is very much used to be very much an area. Dance classes here.
Oh,
Before
nice.
the pandemic, I haven't seen anybody back since then, but hopefully it'll come back in the summer. Hopefully. So again, you got a very nice picture here.
Oh yeah, I didn't even see.
Dome of the church.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so I'm still here. I made it to Munich. I'm actually just walking around. I have a fabulous tour guide with me. She is showing me the area and we've just been walking around. As you guys know, I mentioned earlier, I'm here on a layover, so I have very limited time. So I'm just hitting all the popular spots, trying to grab a few pictures in between. Maybe we could just go around here. So yeah guys, I have a lot of footage for you guys so far of the area that I'm walking around, but I just wanted to pop in and say hello, and hopefully I'll get some good pictures for you guys. Let me turn my camera around so you guys can see. And I have to head back to the train station shortly because my flight leaves at 3:30 and I do not want to miss that. So, very quick trip. I was happy to be able to come here for a limited time. Next time I'll have to come and stay longer. And of course, when I come back, I'll get some more footage and videos for you guys. So I'll check back in with you guys shortly once I make it around the corner.
It's also a very nice way to see the city, and if you want
I'm
to
sure.
take you on a tram trip out to one
Oh,
of the
I
other
would love
towns
that. I know.
inside the city.
That would be so perfect. Guys, I just came into the little market or deli. They have cheeses and different seafood I see. I just wanted to get some footage of the type of food that they have here. As you guys can see, you get like some ready-made items here, grab and go.
Good German sausage.
Oh, they have German sausage here. Here. And all different types of meat. Oh, okay. So let me show you guys the type of meat too. Oh, those are the famous.
And white sausage, Weißwurst, the white ones.
All the white ones in the back. Okay. Let me show you guys the famous sausages here. The white ones in the back. And you eat them with the different types of mustard here. Good to know.
That's a typical kind of lunch plate or yeah. So you get your breads and your bagel, you say, what you call it?
Oh, pretzel?
Pretzel, exactly.
Yes.
Mustard, the sausage, and maybe some radish or something like that.
Okay.
Weißwurst.
So this is a huge market, guys, or a shop where you can just
Fine food.
find foods you can grab here.
Emporium, whatever you want.
Yes.
They have their own coffee. They have all their own
Oh, the coffee smells so good.
gorgeous.
Okay.
Cake.
Oh, they have different types of bread. Oh, this is where I'm in heaven here. All right, guys, let me turn the camera around so you can see all the different cakes.
Auch nichts.
Did the 1860s, and then they've obviously come to shops taken it over in various parts of the central doing the original building. So again we have fountains here, and in the up to 1800s they also had a big food market here. That's why the fountain was here, because they used it to wash the fruit and vegetables,
nice.
and even wash themselves sometimes. This is the original town hall.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Fairy tale buildings.
It's
I
very
really
much
like
of a
this
fairy
one.
tale.
Yeah, so that's one of the other famous churches on the corner as well. They also have some
Ooh.
cheeky things. They also have some
So yeah, I'll
work.
take
You want me to take?
Hey guys, so I finished my tour. I just got back to the airport. I took the train. The train ride is about 40 minutes or so. So I have about an hour to get through security and get to my gate in a timely manner. Hopefully I'll have a few minutes to spare so I can grab something to eat before I board my flight. But I just wanted to check in with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I only had 2 hours here in Munich, so I wasn't able to get a lot of footage for you guys, so hopefully you enjoy what I was able to capture. I do plan to come back to Germany at another point and really stay longer to explore and just really see what Germany is about. But yeah guys, off to my next adventure, and I will check in with you guys soon. Stay tuned to see where my next stop is. You guys will be excited to go on this 3-country journey with me, and this was only the first stop. All right guys, until the next time, God bless and thanks for watching.